welcome or welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be custom coloring this wig today. I have a 13x4 lace frontal wig and we are going to be coloring it gray, and we're just going to go ahead and get right into it. And the color we're going to be using is titanium. So we are doing the water dye method, and I used about 3 bottles of gray dye. And you do want to take the first bottle and go ahead and squeeze it into the water. Make sure you do also thoroughly mix the dye in the water as well. So here I just went ahead and placed the wig into the water, and I always like to mess with it when I water dye just to make sure like the dye gets on most of the hair. Here I'm just showing you guys how the wig is starting to turn a little bit. So the gray color is slowly starting to come into the wig. So we're just going to go ahead and just pretty much repeat the same process. So now we're going to go ahead and re-dip the wig back into the water of dye so that we can get more of that gray color on the wig. Just showing you guys how still the gray color is slowly getting on the hair, and we're just gonna again repeat the same process to get more of that gray color on the wig. And here we are now again re-dipping the wig back into the dye of water. So I did pretty much in total dip the wig into the water about a good 3 times, and here I'm just rinsing out the wig. I did shampoo and conditioner it already, so again I'm just rinsing out the wig. And now I'm just showing you guys the results of water dyeing the wig with titanium. So the wig did successfully come out the gray color I was looking for it to have, and now we're just going to go ahead and get into styling it. Here I am applying flat iron guard spray to the hair, and then you're just going to pretty much brush that in. Now I'm applying my Silk Infusion, and you want to make sure you rub this on and throughout the hair, and then afterwards you do want to make sure you brush it in the hair as well. We're going to go ahead and simply get into flat ironing the hair. after completely flat ironing the wig, I did go into styling the wig as a part in the middle. So finally, I'm just applying some humidity shine spray to the hair, and here I just sprayed it on the comb first, and then I'm just going to comb it throughout the hair. Here I'm just showing you guys how flowy and silky the hair is on this wig. It is giving like a smoky gray, so I was happy with the results. And here you now have your gray lace frontal wig.